Teddy till Christmas series is coming to end. We just left on 3 days, so I will try to use this. I will try to use this makeup sponge and this normal sponge because I want to use acrylic markers, and this one is from Mia. See, Mia, and I want to make one dramatic tree and a little bit of snow and dramatic sky and everything. So I want first to start from white. I make a rough sketch. I never use these acrylic markers, never paint with them. And I never paint on black paper. So we will see how this will go. So here, and I also have some brushes. So I'm not sure how I will do it. We will see. So this is one part of the sky. Just this part is white. I can see on picture I found on the Pinterest. So now we are using this light blue and I don't know why I start from this most light part, but let's see. So we have some light dark blue and gray on the sky. Keep your fingers crossed, guys, because I don't know what I'm doing. But I really like this painting. Somebody shared this on Pinterest and I was thinking, oh my God, I must paint this. I so adore when I see one tree in the distance and when one tree is focus point of whole painting. This is so beautiful. So okay, I can see that this acrylic markers are layering on each other beautifully, and then this part is pretty dark, but I really want to add a little bit of here and here. Like this. And maybe even here. Then we have one part which is pink sky here behind the tree, and I prepared two pinks for this, but we will see. Now I want to use this dark. Where should I start? Oh my God, these colors looks like pretty light on this dark paper. What about with water? So now this part. And then I want to add this pink. Then I want to add this gray. This part of the sky is a lot darker. Like this, and then I want to add this gray here and there, and then we mix. Where is my sponge? So and now I make mistake here, so this looks nice. Now our tree. I can't wait to paint our tree. So the branches, or should we start from here? Roots. So roots will be like this, and like this, and here some. So this brown is not brown. This is something like a skin color. Oh, I don't know. I really don't like that. So let's try to mix with little water. So now that is that, and we also need gray, because I tried brown but not this. Now we will leave this to totally dry, and then I want to add some snow and leaves. When this everything is dry, I want to add all leaves, and first light. So here. Like this, then a little bit darker, and then the darkest one, which is not a lot darker than this other one we just used, so I don't know. And I'm sorry, but we will try to fix with the black. So here is our black, and now I don't know, should I add some grass here, because I'm really not in the mood. Let's see if I add a little bit of grass here and there. And a little bit of black also. We will see how this will go. Now we need to add snow, and this part where I try to add white, and I will not add this. I will leave it here. Like this. I must mix this. And now we're adding snow. Cross your fingers. Maybe a little bit more of this. So guys, my dramatic tree is over, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.